Hi everyone, so I am back with this GlossyBox video. How cute is this box? I am absolutely in love. This GlossyBox has just come and I've literally just took the outside kind of cardboard packaging, like the post box that it comes in. I've just took that off and this is what I see when I opened it, and I am like so in love with this box. Obviously it is a February edition. Valentine's Day happens in February, so this is kind of the theme around this box. But can we just take a minute to actually look at the design on here? It's got lollipops, it's got lips, it's got lipstick, rainbows, flying hearts. I am absolutely in love with it. How cute is it? So it does have GlossyBox wrote along the side, which sometimes I kind of wish it didn't have, because then you could kind of re-gift and repurpose these boxes. This one is absolutely stunning though. I will definitely be keeping this box. But yes, like I say, this box has just come and I've just took the outside box off it. So I thought I would film this video and show you what I got in this month's box. I am filming this one-handed, so if it is a little bit shaky, guys, I do apologise, but I've completely misplaced my tripod and I don't know where it is at the moment. So yeah, we're going to dive straight in. So I'm just going to kind of one-handedly lift the lid off this bad boy. So we managed that, and inside it's kind of bright pink as well. I'm so in love with the lid on this box. Gorgeous. So this is the card, so we shall move this to one side. Comes with obviously like some like detailed tissue paper, not very like detailed or anything. Obviously the little GlossyBox sticker and a nice little white ribbon. So let's dive in and see what is in this bad boy. Ooh! What? What? Is this some kind of joke? I have like 3 products in my box. I'm just 3 products. No, that can't be right. I think, no. Let me have a look. Sorry guys, I'm just moving. No way! There's nothing else in here. This is like literally just the pink shredded tissue. I have 3 items in my box this month. That can't be right. No. It must still be 5 for this month's box as well, mustn't it? I think I'm missing some items from this box. I'm quite confused this month though, because it has a CRA nail polish on, but then on this side it has all of these products as well. Discover the box. Here's a selection of products that feature in. Oh, so this is a selection of products that feature in this month's box. So you don't necessarily get all of these products, but I'm still sure that you are supposed to get 5 items in your box. This month I seem to only have 3. Please comment below and let me know if this box, I don't know, if you were still supposed to get 5 items in this month's box. I'm sure you are, like you do every month, you get 5 items. But yeah, I seem to have 3, which is quite confusing. Comment below and let me know, but I do think that I'm going to have to email them and find out what is happening with this, because yeah, I'm sure I'm supposed to get 5, but I'll show you what is in the box anyway. So we have this Sleek Makeup Eye Divine eyeshadow palette, and this is a Storm palette. This was one of the very originals that Sleek Makeup came out with. This is a full-size item and this actually retails for £8.99. Now, I have been made aware that Sleek Makeup is all going to be sold off in Superdrug stores shortly, because they are undergoing a huge rebranding. So this is probably why these Sleek palettes are in the glossy boxes. But yeah, it has the colours on the back there. It is a really nice palette. I do actually already own this palette, so I'm not going to open this or swatch it or anything, because I'm just going to pop it in my swap pile. So that was that. And then the next item that I have in this box is this Studio 10 Makeup Mist Glow Plexion. This is kind of a small size as well. I don't think it actually says what size it is, but yeah, is this kind of like a makeup setting spray or something. It's a makeup mist. This mist instantly primes, refreshes and hydrates lackluster skin. It can also be used as a setting spray, which is quite good. Obviously it is a little size, but it would be nice for travel or just to throw in your handbag or something. So I will probably enjoy using that. And then the last product that I got in my box this month is from the brand Steve Laurent, and I think we got something in our boxes last month from this brand. This says it is a lip gloss and it's in the shade Nude Pop. I'm just referring back to the card, and I think this is a full size item and it retails for £17. And apparently it's cruelty free, hydrating and long lasting. I actually love the packaging on this. So like sleek and looks expensive and luxury. So yeah, it is a Nude Pop lip gloss. I'm trying to open it as best as I can, guys, but I am obviously filming this one-handed. Ooh, very up my alley kind of nudie shade. It is a lot more peachy than what it is shown on camera. It's shown a lot more nude on camera. It is more peachy. But yeah, I'll definitely give that a whirl. And again, it's nice that it's in this little pot because obviously I can just kind of throw it in my bag. That colour that it's shown there is more true to life than obviously when I kind of bring it right up here, it washes the colour out. So this is kind of the colour that it is in real life. A gorgeous peachy nudie colour. So I am excited to try that. So yeah, that is like the 3 things that I got in my box this month. I'm definitely going to contact GlossyBox just to kind of query that. But yeah, comment down below if any of you only got 3 items in your box this month, because that is quite strange. But anyway, that is the contents of my GlossyBox. These 3 items, I do love these 3 items that I got, and I will definitely use them. Obviously, apart from the Storm palette, but that's only because I already own that palette. If I didn't, I would definitely use it because I am a huge fan of sleek anyway. Excited to try the makeup setting spray, and this colour is right up my alley. So I am quite happy with my box this month. Bearing in mind that I am 2 items missing, you know, but I'm sure GlossyBox will sort that out. I'll give them an email and see what they say. So yeah, that was my February GlossyBox. Comment below and let me know what you guys got in your box, because I always love to know what kind of different products you've got, or what you like in your box and what you don't like, things like that. But yeah, I am going to go now, guys, and I will see you all in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.